Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. I know some of you are waiting for the UK 49s, but it's okay. I did that video. That video has got your numbers for tea time, so don't stress. Go back to the video, check the numbers that I posted. You shall go right. Here is your jackpot for tonight. Remember yesterday on PowerPoint we made the wonders. We made something that has never happened. So even today on Lotto, there's Lotto plus 1, there's Lotto plus 2. So these numbers, you're going to use them on those Lottos, né? Make sure you don't make a mistake, please. Make sure you actually play this game. I'm begging you, play Lotto tonight. Okay, so I'm just going to make a recap for this one, then we shall move and prosper. So the code for last week was 155 946. So I just want to show you how the 3 number came from this. When you say 15 plus, actually let's say 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 it's 11, né? Then the 11 didn't come. When you say 15 plus 5, you get a 20. A 20 came there. 15 minus 5, you get a 10. A 10 did not come. It's okay. Then you say 9 on this one because it's over the comma. I always say that. So you'll take the smallest digit which was inside. It's 40, say 46, say 49. This number came as a consecutive number, 46, 49. So that was a 3 number for last week. Remember, Lotto pays so much, and with Lotto you can always hit as much as you can. I promise you on that. I don't want to lie to you guys. Lotto, I like Lotto because with Lotto you can see how many people won, how many people won this much. You understand? That is the good part about Lotto. So there are some numbers that I'm going to add on the side that are not, they're actually in the code, but it will take us a long way. You guys will end up watching a 15 minutes video, and then I don't want that. Just want to make my video 10 minutes done. And then what else? I still think of something. Okay, so guys, let's pay and boom, let's go. Okay, today's code is sorry, this pencil is giving me problems since the whole day. The first code is 157,973. Do you see that code? And then we have got 188. So our banker for all lottos today, I mean like main lotto, Lotto plus, and Lotto plus 2 is 18. That's the first banker that I'm giving you. So write down the 18. It's a banker 18. And then we are having also a 26, which is a 29. 29, 26. This number is dangerous. Cool. Then I'll start with this code 157. Say 15 plus 7. How much is that? 15 plus 7. That should be 22. So 22 is another number that you must put on the side. 22. Then with this 22, you're going to say 2 plus 2, get a 4. Put down the 4 on the side. I'll do a simple pairing for you guys like yesterday, but you have to pair still because sometimes you'll miss 4 numbers because of just depending on those 2 numbers. Okay, and then 15 minus 7 is equals to an 8. It's an 8, yes, I'm right, it's an 8. An 8, according to Lotto industry, is a 44. If they don't bring that, they'll bring the 44. Okay, and then let's move on to the next. No, yet we're not yet done with that 157. We're not yet done with that 157. 157. When you say 1 plus 5 plus 7 equals to a what? Let me see. It's a 12, 13. It's a 13. I was waiting for this number, which is a 31. This number is coming as well. 1831. Okay, and then let's move on to our this other code, which is 9. Sorry, pencil is behaving. 973. So we are having a 39. We're having a 37 there, and then we are having a 379. Another thing that I've noticed with these guys from Lotto, they can say 36, 39. Why? Because they will have spinning, they'll spin this 9 and make it a, so let me write down these numbers as well. So when I'm pairing, I won't have to struggle. 39, then 37, 36, then 3, 7, 9. Okay, we're almost at the end of the video. And then the last chord is actually clear and straightforward. 8, 18. This number, I consider you to play it as it is. So then it was like 18, 8, and then I'm going to say 26. 18, 8, 36. They add a 10 or subtract from a number like that, or 18, 8, 46. So remember these numbers. That's what I've noticed normally. That's what they do on their thing. So let's do the pairing. We'll choose like from, let's say we start with 37, 37, 39, 37, 36. Then you say 37, 18, 18, 8, 18, 36. So continue with this. Do 3 numbers from that. Hopefully you guys will go right. At least I've tried to come up with something for you guys for today. And then don't forget to add these numbers. I've given you the pairs, né? Then now add these numbers on the side. 21, 18, 2, 31, 22, 4. And then there's a 6, is there 15, sorry? The 15 because it is there. There's a 17 again there. There is a what? An 18. I think we are covered. So these are single numbers that you must pair with to get what? To get your 3 to 4 numbers, depending. Because when I'm playing Lotto, I don't play. I don't play like 2 numbers. I play always 4 to 5 numbers because I need jackpot. As you can see, it's 82 million, 86 million, 98. You know, this is high amount of money that can change your life. So yeah, guys, this is what it is, né? Hope to see you tomorrow, because I think I'm done for the day. But please watch this video, practice, do your pairing. I want to see tickets tomorrow of booming, because I'm going to be busy now with the UK 49. But for now, you guys do the Lotto. Don't forget, it's a Lotto main. It's Lotto +1, it's Lotto +2. That's how these Lottos they are. It's like Powerball plus. You understand? So these numbers are for all those draws. So you choose one draw which you can play, then you are set. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Cheers.